Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikeny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. If you're already part of this family, I appreciate you all as usual. So today you can see in the title, I'm going to be attempting to do this hair. It came out more than what I thought it was going to come out, but it came out nice, and I'm going to show you guys how I did my own box braids on my short little bitty hair. Which took me 3 days. So this video is going to be over the course of 3 days, but obviously you're not going to watch the whole process, but I'm going to show you how I did it, the tips and tricks that you can do to do your own hair at home without having to give out 120 to 200 euros or dollars to do your hair. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
It's Manikeny.
So first I mixed the hair just because I was so excited about what color I would get. So I did my best in mixing this hair. It didn't mix 100%, but well, the hair still came out good at the end. But as I mixed it, I mixed one packet of each color, so color 30 and color 350, and this is as far as I could get. It didn't look bad, but at some point I was like, you know what, I'm done. This is the best I could get. But I could actually keep going and it will blend way better than I finally was able to get it to blend. But yeah, so after mixing it, then I had to start doing my hair. So the first idea I had, so this is day one obviously, the first idea I had after mixing the hair was to use a thread and do like little bantu knots. Like, it's a thing we did back home with short hair. You just use a thread, part the hair, and then you make like little knots all over the hair. That was the first idea I had. Like, okay, I will do it this way. And because I did not want to use any elastic bands, I saw, or a friend of mine who usually did my hair told me, oh, I can use elastic bands, but I was like, the elastic band will probably cut my hair, so I'll rather just do this African threading method. So after doing this first one, or this second one actually, I saw that I wasn't able to hold it as tight as I'm supposed to, so I just forgot about the idea. Because normally when you use the thread, it's supposed to be tight enough for me to be able to put the box braid on it. So I just took it out, and the next idea I had is an idea I usually do with my longer hair, but I wasn't sure if it would work with shorter hair. And here you can see me kind of braiding that little portion of the hair. I'm trying to show you guys here a little bit. I don't know if you can really see it, but I take that little part of the hair and then I make a braid with it. Like, so I take that little part, I divide it into 3 sections, and then I make a braid out of it. So that's what I did. This is what I usually do with my long hair. I was so skeptical of doing my hair while it's this short, because I was like, I don't know if I'll be able to because with longer hair I just know what I had to do. But then when my first idea didn't work, I tried this and I saw, okay, my hair is short but it's long enough to be able to do this method, and that's what I started doing. Forget about how uneven my parts are, because obviously I cannot see the back of my hair, but here I'm showing you how it looks. You can see yeah, it's curly now because my hair is curly, but yeah, at this point hours had passed and I was just checking in with you guys to show you guys how far I've come and how it's looking. Here you can see it a little bit better. So I took the part of the hair, I divided it into 3 sections, and I make a braid out of it. So not a cornrow, a braid. And you'll see what we'll do with that later on, but that is pretty much the technique, my technique on how to braid on my own hair. And now I was getting to the front and I wanted a middle line, a middle part. So that's me just already checking where I want the line to be before I finished the rest of the little knots, or bantu knots. I don't know what to call this. Little mini braids, box braids I did with my hair. In Cameroon we call it matobo. Anyway, so this is me just checking them out, and I was tired. This was like 11. No, this was almost 1 a.m. But I was like, day one, I have to finish this first part of it. But yeah, going to bed tired, but yeah. So day 2, here I had started to see what it would look like. This is about 3 braids I already did, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. But this is day 2, And yeah, let's get into it. So I use this crochet pin, and this is the hair. So I take part of the hair extension, and then I take the pin and pass it through the bottom of the mini little braids that I already did with my own hair. I'm trying my best to show you guys here. And then I hook the extension hair into that hook and then pull it over to the other side. And then while pulling it over to the other side, I pull just one side of the extension hair. You can see it better. I don't think I'm explaining the right way, but you can see. So you see the hair is hooked to my mini little braid there. And then I use that to start my box braid. I tried to do the wrap around method, but I didn't like how it looked. Maybe next time I'll do it again, but I just, start braiding and try my best to hide my own, afro little hair inside the colored hair extension. And yeah, after this first struggle at the beginning where I'm trying to hide my own hair, after that it pretty much goes smoothly and I just braid it to the end. It took me almost 2 weeks to finally decide to do this, to make up my mind. I asked around a few people that do hair at their homes and stuff, and the prices, yo, I was like, I can do this thing myself. I was just like, my hair is too short, and I've never had to do box braid on my short hair, so I don't know if I can do it. So I was just asking people, like, okay, how much would it take for you to do this for me? And the prices I was hearing were outrageous. I was like, bruh, I would rather just try it myself, and then if it doesn't work, then I will go to somebody and pay. But this is me just feeling it. It's starting to go somewhere. Um, yeah, trying to do this with a kid was not easy. I had to take so many breaks. I started day 2 at like 4 p.m. and by 11 I stopped. Now this is day 3. So today you can see I'm almost at the half of my hair. In the back, I was not able to really tuck my hair really good inside the braiding hair, but in the front, I did a better job. So on this day, I was like, I need to finish it today. So it was 1 a.m. I finally went to bed at like 2, but I finished the hair by 1:30 something. And at 1 a.m., I was still there. The struggle was real. I was like, if I don't finish it today, it would just have dragged too long. But yeah, this is the front. I had to sometimes braid one braid like 2 times, like undo it and do it again if the hair wasn't tucked rightly, like the right way. So that's why the front took me a little bit more time. But the front has to look good. So after struggling with the tucking of the hair into the braid, yeah, the rest pretty much goes smoothly, as you can see here. Well, I don't think I need to show you guys every little step, so we would jump to the end for you to see the finished look in a second. So guys, this is how the hair came out. I'm one of those people who does box braids just to tie it up the whole time, but doesn't matter. As long as I have the box braids, I'm happy. Anyway, so this is how the hair came out. I just tied it all back so that the hair gets used to laying all back in the end. But yeah, the hair was 20 inches like I said before, and I'm actually loving how it finally came out. I just put it in hot water today. I couldn't film that because I'm on my own, but it's still a little bit wet from the hot water, but now it's flowing. Okay, I'm definitely loving it. And one of my favorite hairstyles when I have long hair or braids especially is a bun, one of those high buns or middle or whatever this bun is called. I'm one of those people. And yeah, so my hair is ready, my edges are laid. I am happy that I took the time, because when I asked for prices to do this, I was like, yo, let's roll it back. We can do this. Anyways, I was skeptical at the beginning, but it came out and it came out good. Let me know what you guys think about this final look. Let me get in the camera so you can see a little bit more of it. Let me know what you think about this final look. Will you try this, or did you already know this trick? I'm sure maybe you did, but have you tried this on yourself? If you didn't try it, and let me know how it comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point of the video, to watching to the end and leaving me your comments. I want us to chat. Let me know in the comment sections what you think, and then do not forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, come back, subscribe to my channel. Before I go, please, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to the channel, join the family for more videos. Let me know what you think about the videos. Let me know your comments. It's free, it's open. Let's discuss, let's chat. All right, guys, I'm waiting to see you guys in my subscriber list. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll put the next video right here on the screen, somewhere here. So click that, watch that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.